Shopping, y'all here for it? I've been texting, I've been calling, haven't heard from you in weeks. You ain't off the grid too often, why my message turning gray? So what you do? You got crash your car, are you stuck in home with a broken heart? This misery is something you can think this what you need to help you all lay it all on me. You know I'm here for it, gotta understand I'm here for it. Sweat I'm coming through. Even if the snow is falling, I'll strap rackets on my boots. You know the rain coming high, where will I go? And I let it wouldn't fly. Since you really covered me, you get this what you need. All it all on me. You know I'm here for it. Gotta wait for it. This next one, I got a special little Christmas carol prepared for you guys. Sing along if y'all know this one.
are we're going to be making donations in each one of them. We thank you all for coming out. It's really great. What do you guys think of this train? So since 1999, CPKC has donated $22.5 million.
Yes, we have the holiday train. They're still singing in
pounds
that.
of foods to communities like yours through the CPKC holiday train.
Okay.
And that's all made possible because communities like yours show up,
All right.
you support, and you make donations to your food bank. So thank you all so much for coming out. I would like to welcome out your mayor, Dennis McBride.
So I'm the luckiest guy in the world right now because I'm the mayor of this great community and you can't see what I can see from both sides. What an amazing, amazing crowd. Give yourselves a big hand. I didn't hear you. That's better. This is really phenomenal and we have so much to be thankful for in this community. We thank our police officers, our firefighters who kept us safe today. We really thank Canadian Pacific. Please give them a big hand for doing this every year. But today I'm most thankful for Tom and Linda Ertel and the Tosa Cares Food Pantry and Canadian Pacific, which I think is going to give them a Christmas present. Is that right? So thank you. I'm going to turn it over to them. Thank you everyone for coming out today. Give Canadian Pacific another big hand, please.
Thank you so much, Mayor. If you want to stay, you can stay. And I'd like to welcome out Linda and Tom Ertel from Tosa Cares. For our check presentation, we have Nathan Lund, who does all the mechanical work on this train. He keeps it nice and light, and when things go wrong, he's the one that fixes it. All right, we are going to be giving Tosa Cares $7,000.
That is awesome! Yay! Thank you, Canadian Pacific, for this wonderful evening, this gathering, this celebration of the holidays. Such goodness here, doesn't it feel wonderful? And I want to say, besides this wonderful donation, this gives us an opportunity for you to offer a helping hand also. We're here to say Tosa cares about people who are struggling with food insecurity. And we need your help. So donations this evening, there are 4 places over here by the Realty Company here, Homestead. On this side, Bucketathon and Jose Sombrero. And at the top of the hill, in the park there's a place for you to make your donations. Or go online at tosacares.org. We're here to care about each other, celebrate the goodness of the community, and thank you for the support, Canadian Pacific, and all of you this evening.
All right, thank you, everybody. I want to have a little contest going on. First of all, on the east side, I want to see if we can cheer louder than on the west side. So 1, 2, 3, cheer! All right, over here, can we do it again? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Dead heat. So when I say 1, 2, 3, both of you go. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for Tosa Cares. You make a difference in the city of Wauwatosa. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Mayor McBride. Now, let's give it up for Tenille Towns. Thank you, Wauwatosa!
How we doing out there? It's good to be with you.
holiday song on. I think you're gonna know this one. I want to hear you singing. You ready over here? Let's do it.
Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Yeah. So hungry you can see every couple tries to stop. Around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit later we'll have some pumpkin pie and there will be some cake. You will get a sentimental feeling when we hear those voices singing. Let's reach out and deck the halls with diamonds. Rock the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily, oh gosh, let me see you dance.
Well, I love seeing everybody gathered around. I think it's incredible. You've all showed up with your donations for the local food bank here. I love seeing all these little ones up on shoulders. Remember what it was like to be that age and to come and see some live music. So we're glad you're all here. And I think we should do a song for the Dreamers. Let's do it. Shy little dreamer, yellow rubber boots. You can't fake a smile like that, no. She hasn't learned how to. Looking at the world like a big old canvas, spinning full of magic. A little more color, stammers. It's my imagination, wonder how it made it. Down the rock and roll, I wanna see the whole sky. Wanna let the wind out the window. I wanna fire, I like the bucket. Oh, let me get lost, yeah. The wonder of the storm is love. It's my imagination, the way she's been waiting. It's lovely forever, it's still there. Yellow rubber boots. Oh, she looks a lot like I used to. Really didn't care. This is amazing. Look how many of you there are. This is so cool. We got one more song for you before we gotta pack up this train and roll down the tracks to visit our next friends. But we're so glad you came. Are you guys ready for Christmas out here or what? Okay, good. You gotta get those letters and it's getting close. Gotta send them to the North Pole. Hey, let's get our friend Breland back out here. Make some noise for him, everybody! You ready for Christmas, Breland? You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. 'Cause Santa Claus is coming to town, let me hear you. Santa Claus is coming to town, yeah. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Train wouldn't be possible without communities like yours coming out making donations. Now, if you ever have any taking good pictures, you can tag us on our socials at CPKC Rail. Everyone, please have a safe and wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas. If you have tickets or you're an employee and you need to ride, please come and line up. Thank you